Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to update your iPhone 8 from iOS 13 to iOS 14. This has been done on your iPhone. You don't need a computer, and I just got this iPhone 8. Surprisingly, it is on iOS 13. To update your phone, you must connect your phone to Wi-Fi. So I also have Wi-Fi and can just go ahead and connect it. But if you don't have, you can go ahead and share from personal hotspot. If you got another phone, you can share from it. One thing that I recommend you to turn off while you are downloading the new version, you need to go ahead and turn off the auto lock. Now go ahead and go into display and brightness. So on auto lock, you can set on never, then go back and go to general and make sure you go to software update. Now go ahead and hit on download and install and hit on agree again. Now it is downloading, so all you have to do just wait for this process. It takes some time, like about 30 to 40 minutes. This depends on the internet speed that you have. So if you have the faster internet speed, it is going to be quicker. Now it has been downloaded. All you have to do, hit on install now, and it is going to verifying update. Then your phone will be restarted by itself. So all you have to do, just wait for the progress bar. Now we are back, and you can see your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.4.2. Let me go ahead and go into settings, general and above. Now we are on 14.4.2, and here how you can update your iPhone 8 to 14.4.2. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.